Hi guys, welcome back to Technoxity. This is Adnan Ahmed back with another video. So guys, in today's video I'll be telling you guys about another trick to get money from your Google Opinion rewards. Guys, you normally downloaded the Google Opinion rewards, answered some surveys, and here you go, you have some cash in your Google Opinion rewards application. So let me just show you my Google Opinion rewards application. It's here, Google Opinion rewards, and let me just pull this down, and here you go. When you check out the reward history, it's rupees 51.21 and I had answered 9 surveys, and you can see all of the prizes that I have got here, and there are 9 of them there. And I also had done a PUBG video about how to use it and use 4 rupees to get the Royal Pass season 5, and I done it almost 6 months ago, I guess. And then here we have 51 minus 4, 47.21 rupees here, and how to get convert this money into your normal cash. Guys, for this you need to pay some commission, and that will be taken up by the application as well as Google. Google takes 40% of the amount as a commission, and the app takes 10%. Then you'll just get 50% of it. And guys, you don't have to worry much, because it's basically you're getting it for free, and you don't have to worry if you're giving up 50% as well. But there will be a little bit of pain, but you just have to give up that. And I don't prefer giving it up. I prefer giving it, because it's free of cost, guys. You got the money for free, you're giving it for free, and you're also getting 50% of it into your bank account or something like that. And guys, this is the application. This looks kiddish, but it's not that much. Rewards, let me just show you in the Play Store. Rewards converter, I guess. Okay, rewards converter, I guess. Yeah, this is the second application, rewards converter. That's the Google Opinion rewards converter. It's very easy to use this, though it has a less rating. It has 3-star rating. Just install it, open it, and then I'll tell you what you have to do. What you have to do is just enter your email ID, select your country, enter your name, and select your payment mode, whether it is Google Pay or Tez, Bheem UPI, Paytm, PhonePe, Freecharge, bank transfer, PayPal, mobile recharge, donate. You can even donate it, like whenever there is some calamity, then people create websites, and even Paytm offers some donate options. And recently, when there were some military attacks, there was an option to donate to the families of the martyrs. You can do that as well from here. And you can select the number of days you are going to give it to convert it into your cash. Guys, it will require a minimum of 3 days and max of 7 days. That's a whole week. Enter suggestions optional. You can enter suggestions like make it fast, or you need it as per the date. You can do that, but you can't make them to convert it before 3 days. And you can just select the minimum amount to select is 50 rupees, and you can go up to 1000 rupees. That's the maximum you can withdraw every day. That's 1000 rupees per day, and you have 50 here. When you click on 50, I could have done that. Now you can select Paytm. I can enter my name. Let's just enter the name, and then you can enter your email ID here, like this, and your name. Then select the payment option, select the amount you need to get the amount transferred. Then you just also need to select the number. You should add the number, and then select the number of days within which you want the amount to be transferred to your account, and then select enter any suggestion, and then click pay. And then guys, you just need to have minimum of 50, and I have just as I showed you guys before, I have just 47 rupees. Let me answer another survey in the upcoming days, and then I'll show you a full tutorial how to withdraw it with the proof of getting it withdrawn to the Paytm. And that's it guys in this video. If you guys like the video, make sure to share it with your friends. And if you guys don't know what Google Opinion Rewards is, watch my previous video. The link is in the description, as well as it will be displayed on the screen. Make sure to watch it, and thanks for watching. Meet you in the next one. Until then, goodbye. Make sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Meet you in the next one. Goodbye.